Night Guard Bruxism. If you've seen your child grinding her teeth, she may suffering from teeth grinding.
They do this because of anxiety, permanent teeth eruption, imperfect alignment of tooth. It may lead to difficulty in chewing, chipped teeth, and jaw pain. Dental teeth grinding increase cavity and enamel erosion. By neglecting teeth grinding may cost you thousands of rupees in future, because it can give invitation to dental implant, root canal treatment or filling and crown. To get rid of this, use Night Guard of Bruxism.
Visit Just Smile Dental Clinic and Implant Center for your personalized night guard that will fit your mouth perfectly.
Because we create mold of your teeth, then we create Night Guard for you.
Shiv Shrushti Road near Nehru Nagar, Kurla, Mumbai.